Hi friends, it's Claire from Scrappy Nerd UK, and I am sorry, not sorry. I broke my no spend rule. I broke it big time. I've done 2 fairly big orders. This is one of them. So I thought I would share my new goodies with you. I caved, and I don't even care. So I'll show you the papers first of all that I got. So I bought the Vicki Boutin ready to use mixed media pad. So I used this in a retreat recently. So we got some of the papers and I just absolutely loved it. So I'm just going to open this up just to give you a quick glance. Now you might spot some of these from recent layout shares that I've done, but these are all ready done mixed media backgrounds. Not so keen on that one, but these are fantastic for not having to worry about the mixed media side of things. Obviously you can add extra mixed media over the top, so I might add some white paint splatters or some texture paste, but it is a great way to get started on having a mixed media background all ready for you. So, and then with background, so you get 36 in here, and so you get 2 of each. There's 18 different designs, and I absolutely can't wait to start using this. As I said, I've used some of these already in an online retreat that I didn't go anywhere, I was in my craft room. Next, I also couldn't resist, I've been resisting this a while, the Fifth and Monaco collection as well. So this is the new pink Paislee one, or the newish pink Paislee one, and yeah, I just had to get it. It worked out better to get the paper pad than it was to buy the individual sheets. This is a monster paper pad. This is 48 sheets in here, and again you get 2 of each sheet. And there's some really green ones in here that will probably just be used for backing white cardstock. There's one with these birds, which I won't use, but my mum has recently got a bird. Hi mum, if you're watching. So I will pass it on to her. But there's some really lovely patterns in here. A nice wood grain. Love the stripe. Love the black and white floral. Love a black and white stripy paper. Yeah, not so keen on that, but again, that can work for other layouts. Nice little poppy paper, chevron. This one's already got sort of 2 corners ready for you to start working on. Butterflies, of course, those will be fussy cut. This lovely little dot pattern, and then I think we are, I love this one. It's probably my favorite paper, of course. And then there's the cut apart sheet, and then I think we go back round again. So as I said, there's 48 sheets in that paper pad. Then I also bought some loose sheets, and the only 2 collections that I bought loose papers from were from Paige Evans Bloom Street and Amy Tan Picnic in the Park. So first of all, ringing strips always ran the other way. This one is from Bloom Street. This is paper number 19, and it's this blue checked pattern, tartan pattern. And then on the back we have these colourful raindrops. Then paper number 2 from Bloom Street. I love navy, so this navy one with all of these flowers that are destined to be fussy cut, and these are the flowers that you actually find in the flower ephemera pack. So just to boost your flowers, you could sit and fussy cut that, which I probably will do. However, I do love the back as well, which is this pink, blue and purple sort of watercolour background. I should have got 2 of those papers. This is one of my favourite papers from the collection. This is paper number 23. I've already had 2 of these papers in a kit subscription that I designed for, and I've just got another one. I love the florals, which I haven't used that side yet, but I absolutely love this hexagon background. Again, the colours blending into each other from the pink, the yellow into the blue. I just love it. And then paper number 22 from Bloom Street, this geometric pattern, again in the same colourways, but the background for me is what won it, the B side, sorry, and that's the yellow into the pink, again, watercolour background. I think the rest are, I'll just double check. Oh no, got a few more Bloom Street. Let's do these in order. So this one here is paper number 16 from Bloom Street, all of the colourful umbrellas, and then a gorgeous stripe on the back. I don't know which side I'm going to use for that one. And then we have paper number 14, again another gorgeous colourful stripe pattern with a yellow, it's got an almost ombre effect going up with these little white flowers. And then paper number 15, which are these cute little flowers on like almost a purpley colour background. And then on the reverse, it's a lavender with small little purple flowers, which is probably the side I'll use. And then the loose papers I got from Picnic in the Park from Amy Tangerine was this amazing rainbow one, of course. On the reverse, this is going to be probably going to have to use half and half of this paper, is this text print, and it's got all these little colourful dots in between each of the little sayings. These little colourful dots remind me of Friends. I'm not too sure why. I think they have colourful dots in between the letters. And then I got this one here. This is, oh, that one was called Bright Lines. This one is called Feel the Love, and it's a maroony purple with all these colourful little hearts. And on the reverse, it's a super bright yellow with little white hearts on. This one's called Lovely Lass, and again, a yellow with a white floral over the top. And then I love a black and white stripe, so that's super easy to use. Then we have this one called Aloha Leilani, and of course it's a rainbow, and of course I love it. And on the reverse, not so much. It's this corally peachy colour with little white chevron pattern. This one's called Shady, and I love the fact that it's printed on white, so if you wanted to fussy cut this, you can then get the white outline around each of those pairs of glasses. And on the reverse is this lovely purple, almost like a sprinkle pattern. And then nearly there, a whole lot of love. This obviously, there's cut apart hearts, in my opinion. That's how this paper will probably get used. Equally, I do like this tone on tone with a blue on blue floral paper as well. And then the final one is called Photo Shoot, and we have rainbow cameras, of course, but I probably use it for this side, which is just blue with a little white cross pattern. So those are all the papers that I got in my little haul. Next up, I'll show you the embellishments. So first off, I got, and this is wrapped up in cellophane, so I'm just going to get it out. Next up, I got the Vicki Boutin Prism Glaze in this amazing teal turquoise, tealy colour, I would say. Oh, I just can't wait to use it. So I've got one of the other ones. I can't remember what colour it is now. But oh, it's sealed, of course. But I wanted to get this one. I just love the colour. So yeah, I got that. I also picked up some more stitch for some more thread for my sewing machine. I kept saying to my husband, the stitching machine, what's it called? And he said, a sewing machine? I forget words. So yeah, I got the Stitch Happy thread from We Are Memory Keepers. I love it. The quality of the thread's really good. And also you get the bobbin, a metal bobbin that's already pre-threaded with the same colour, which it's great just to be able to chuck it on the sewing machine and start going without having to worry about doing the bobbin. And I like the fact that it's a metal bobbin. My sewing machine, the bobbin case is magnetised, so that really helps with the bobbin. So I also then got I got a mixture of stuff from Bloom Street, Picnic in the Park and Fifth and Monaco, and I think there's a few other bits in there. So Bloom Street stamps, and I just love these. I love florals, I love the little sentiments, I love the butterflies, so I grabbed those as well. I also got from Bloom Street the 6x12 stickers. There's 97 stickers on here, and they are the matte print, and there are some elements of holographic foil in these as well. Then I also got the Bloom Street puffy word stickers as well, and there's some really nice little sentiments in there, and that really does help go alongside, I haven't got them to hand, the big thicker phrase words as well. Then I also got the Full Bloom thickers that match the collection, and these are white foam with a floral pattern over the top. Then I picked up a couple of random packs of thickers. These were on special. These ones are called Right Here. I'm not too sure which collection these are from. I forget, but these are a proper yellow gold. But I just loved all the little sentiments, and they're great to make titles with, so I'll grab those. Then I also got these called Heatwave, and I believe these are a Dear Lizzie one. And so again, some really nice sentiments in here that are quick to pop on to make a quick title. These are from Shimel's Field Trip, and I just love these thickers. I only bought one pack initially, which is stupid of me because I always buy 2 packs of thickers, of the same thickers. But I've run out of A's and E's already, so you get one side blue, one side red, and I don't actually have any other red thickers apart from these ones. So I've grabbed these, and I've got a feeling in my second order I've got some more of these coming as well. Then I also got these that are called Refresh. And these are from One Canoe 2. I'm not too sure which collection, but I loved some of the sentiments on here. There are some really big ones on here, but I just love them. And the colours are colours that I haven't seen before, so I picked those up. So back to Fifth and Monaco, I got the 6x12 stickers, and these are glossy as compared to the Bloom Street matte stickers. So again, double-sided, that all matches the collection. Is that bird again? I have to donate those to my mother. Then I also got the Avenue, which I think is part of Fifth and Monaco, and they're a black foam alpha. I love the fact that they're just doing a lot of foam alphas because they stick so much better than the chipboard ones. And it's got a little gold foil line through each letter. There is a large selection in numbers, which annoys me because I don't use them that often, but hey, I like them. Then I got the Fifth and Monaco Puffy Word stickers as well. So it's the same as the Bloom Street ones. These are a bit smaller, I think. Yeah, they are. And these ones are in black and white, and there's some lovely little hearts in there as well. Then I've got the Fifth and Monaco ephemera pack. I won't get it out, but there's a mixture of labels, frames, tags, florals, sentiments. So just your usual ephemera pack, and it has got accents of gold foil. Then I've got the Fifth and Monaco puffy stickers, and these are just hearts and butterflies because yes. Then I got the Amy Tangerine, I believe. These ones are called Loving Life, and this has got like a pale blue glitter, and these are a really subtle holographic. So you get half and half of each. I don't know why they don't just do a full sheet of one colour and a full sheet of another. I don't get that, but hey. Then I got the puffy stickers because I always buy the Amy Tangerine little puffy stickers. I love them. I've got a whole collection of them. And I just love these. They are rainbow. They are brilliant. I love it. Then I got the thickers, the Happy Hooray thickers, again from the Amy Tan Picnic in the Park collection. I just love, there's so many little ones on here. I don't get why they're so small in the pack though. I don't get that. So I don't know whether, let's see. Yeah, the backing here isn't as wide, so perhaps they didn't put as many on because they are all smaller ones. But I just love these, and they are foam as well, which makes all the difference. Then I also picked up the ephemera pack. Again, I won't open it, but it's got a mixture of journaling spots. It's got a mixture of some florals, some words, some little circle elements. There's frames, there's cameras, of course. I think she puts cameras in all of her collections. Ice creams, there's birds, and there's sunglasses, and there are elements of glitter in this one. So there's a whole load of glitter pieces in that one. Then to match that, nearly there, I got the 6x12 sticker sheet. Again, there are elements of glitter on on some of the stickers. And again, just really bright and colourful, lots of rainbows to use as well, which I love. I love these half rainbow ones as well, great for just a date stamp. And then finally, I got the Vicki Boutin stencil. So I thought I was just getting the star stencil. So I was surprised when it turned up there's actually 3 stencils in here. I got it for the stars, of course. I can't have enough star stencils. I love having a variety of different star stencils. And then I got this one, which is a funky, almost like a starburst pattern, if that's what you call it. And then this just reminds me of a sun or a flower, depending on which way you look at it. So yeah, that was my first of my 2 hauls. Now I filmed the haul video, I can now crack in and actually get to using some of these things. If you have any questions with regards to any of these collections, then hit me up in the comments down below. I'll answer whatever I can if you do have any questions. Or if you just want to say hi in the comments down below. I'll get back to each and every single one of you. But thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel. And I will see you next time. If you've enjoyed my new scrappy purchases, then please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!